trust. Lead me to the way of truth. How long shall I dwell in ignorance? Pour me the nectar of knowledge. Lend aid to my wailing and please cure me of ills and pains. Be kind each moment to me. Let me never feel in want. Save me from sloth, infirmity and doubt. Surcharge my heart with passion, zest and hope. Let me not ever chant the sleep-inducing tales. Let me sing the songs which infuse life into the dead. Let me sing of that which inspires people with love and causes all bitterness and hatred to vanish. You brought me to bloom with the earliest vernal breeze. Let not the burning heat of summer wither me grey. Like dew, how long shall I wait for the first flash of the sun? Awaken me with the flowers in the first stroke of the dawn. In form I am a man, in substance far from humanity. Subject me not to trials, shame not my human form. Forsaken by men am I, and so they call me Mehjoor. People may desert me thus, but you don't abandon me, Lord. Don't abandon me, Lord. Don't abandon me, Lord. Amen.